Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Gemini to read PDFs. First, open your Gemini interface. Look for the attachment icon, which usually looks like a paperclip, and click it. This will allow you to browse your computer or device for the PDF file you want to analyze. Once you've found your document, select it and confirm the upload. Gemini will then begin processing the file, making it ready for your questions and insights. Once your PDF is uploaded, the real power of Gemini comes to life. You can start asking specific questions about its content. For instance, you might ask for a summary of a particular chapter, or perhaps the main conclusions of the entire document. Don't hesitate to ask for definitions of complex terms or to identify key figures and data points. Gemini is designed to extract and present this information clearly and concisely. Beyond basic questions, Gemini can perform more advanced analysis. You can ask it to compare and contrast different sections, helping you understand relationships within the document. Try asking for the main arguments or overarching themes presented. Gemini can also help you extract practical information, such as a list of action items or key recommendations. This allows for a much deeper and more efficient understanding of your PDF's content. To get the most out of using Gemini with your PDFs, here are a few tips. Always use clear and concise language in your prompts to ensure Gemini understands your intent. If you have a very complex question, try breaking it down into 2 or 3 smaller, more focused queries. Providing context for specialized jargon can also improve accuracy. Finally, always review Gemini's responses and refine your questions to achieve the best possible results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.